Okay. I know that you have not received your activity book. You still haven't got it from your school. Okay, but I will take pictures of these pages and send it to you all for you all to study. Okay. Okay, but we will do the exercise in the class. I will ask you the question. You will have to answer them. Okay. So I'm going to ask you all the questions and you should answer. And I do know that you have not received your activity books. Please do not message back later saying that you have not received this book. Okay. I know that you have not been given it from school. Once we get it in school, we will give it to you all. Okay. So now you're just going to answer whatever I'm going to read here. Okay. First question, which vegetables does your mother use to make salad? Which vegetables does your mommy use to make salad? Sorry, ma? Cucumber, very good. Very good. Very good. Okay, now I'm going to ask only one by one. Otherwise, there's too much of noise here. Okay, the others will not be able to hear. Okay. Now, Alan Joshua, can you tell me? Okay, so the vegetables which your mummy uses to make salad are cucumber, tomato, even cabbage, right? All these vegetables can be used in order to make salad. Okay, the second question is, which fruits do you like? Alan Joshua, can you tell me which are the fruits that you like?
Apple, banana.
Very good.
Like
banana. Then?
apple.
Apple.
Very good. Apple. Okay.
Banana.
Apple, banana. Yes. Okay. Then
Apple,
also
banana.
have pineapple. Very good. Yes. How many of you like mango? Yes. Okay. 1 minute. 1 minute. Sonu Preetam. The rest of you all will mute. Okay. Please do not unmute. Yes. Very good. Thank you. Sonu Preetam, now can you unmute and answer? Okay. Sonu Preetam.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. Now, what do we use to make garland for God to decorate a house? Okay. We use some flower. What do we use? In order, when we go to the temple, you take something and go, right? What is that? What do you take? What is used? Flowers. Very good. Yes, we take flowers, right?
Ma'am.
Yes. Can you name at least two flowers which you will take to temple?
Ma'am, sunflower rose. Jasmine, ma'am.
Yes, jasmine, and then rose. Okay, jasmine and rose. Okay. Now, what vegetable is this?
Tomato. What
Which vegetable is this?
Tomato, ma'am.
Very good. This is a tomato. What vegetable is this one? Very good. Then which is this one?
Tell me.
Which one is this? Chili. Very good. And then which vegetable is this one? Okay. So you have tomato, brinjal, green chili, and peas. What are these? These are called as vegetables. Okay. So what do you use vegetables, children? For what do you use vegetables? We use vegetables for cooking, right? Okay. And now here I have some more questions here, but if I ask one person, everyone is unmuting yourself. Okay, the class is becoming very noisy, and I'm sure none of you will be able to understand what each one is talking or saying. Okay, so I'm only the child whom I call will have to answer, not everyone. Okay, children. Now the first one I want Melissa. Melissa, can you unmute yourself? The rest of you all, please do not unmute. Okay, I want only Melissa. Thank you, Melissa. To make salad, what do you use?
Tomato.
Very good. Tomato, then
Cucumber.
cucumber, then
Carrot.
carrot. Very good. Very good. Okay. Now next one, I want Melvin Alliston. Melissa, you can mute yourself, ma. Okay. Next, I want Melvin Alliston to answer. Okay. Okay. Melvin, mummy makes sauce from which vegetable does mummy make sauce? Or mother makes sauce from which vegetable? I'm sure one sauce, most of you all will like that sauce. What is that sauce made up of? Very good, tomato. Okay, very good. Thank you, ma. Yes, tomato. Okay, mother makes sauce, tomato. Yes. Okay, now next one, Nikhil. Nikhil, I want you to unmute. Okay. You like
Yes,
this?
ma'am.
You like the sweet halwa? Sweet. Okay. Now, mother makes halwa from. I want you to give me 2 vegetables from which you can make halwa. Mother makes halwa from.
Carrot.
Very good, carrots. Then one more vegetable.
Beans, ma'am.
From beans you make halwa.
No, ma'am.
Then
One carrot, ma'am.
carrot halwa is there, and then you also can make halwa from pumpkin. Okay, pumpkin also you can use to make halwa. Okay, now next one I want Arul Nilan. Okay, you can unmute. Arul Nilan. Arul is still not unmuted. Yes, okay. Thank you, Arul.
Yes,
Arul, yes, you will answer this one. Chips are made from, can you name 2 vegetables from which chips are made?
Potato, ma'am.
Very good, potato. One more vegetable.
Tomato.
Yes, chips. Can you onion chips you get? Onion pakoras you get, not chips. You like banana chips? Yes. Okay, so 2 vegetables.
Banana chips.
Yes, potato and raw banana they use for making chips. Okay. Now next one, I want Charvi to answer. Charvi, can you unmute? Yes. Charvi, you need to give me 2 examples. Okay, that is 2 fruits which we use to make pickle. Pickle is made out of even fruits also. Can you tell me 2 fruits? Name 2 fruits which can be used for making pickle. Vegetables, I know most of you all will know. Okay, fruits, 2 fruits which can be used to make pickle.
Ma'am, mango, ma'am. Mango, ma'am.
Okay, 1 minute. I told only Charvi should answer. Please do not unmute yourself. Otherwise, unless and until your name is called, do not unmute. Okay. I will give chance for the others also. Okay. Yes, Charvi, do you know?
Mango.
Mango. Okay, I'll give you two fruits with which you can make pickle. It is plum and apple. Okay, you can also make pickle out of plum and apple. Okay, now juice, two fruits which can be used for making juice. For this, I'm sure you'll be having a lot of fruits names, right? Okay, can I have Aldrich to answer? Aldrich, you can unmute yourself and you can answer. Yes. Name two fruits.
Apple juice, ma'am.
Very good. Apple juice. One more.
Mosambik.
Mosambi, ma'am. Orange, ma'am. Mosambi,
Musambi. Yes, very good. Very good, Aldrich. One is mango. Now apple and Musambi. Okay. Now next one, I want Daivik to answer. Daivik Nitin. Daivik, can you unmute? Yes. Okay, Daivik, can you name two fruits which can be used in fruit salad? When you go to hotels, you'll have fruit salad, right? Ice cream fruit salad with ice cream. Can you name two fruits which are there in that? Any two fruits which you remember? Apple, then one more.
banana.
Very good. Apple and banana. Okay. And you can also you also see some places they also give papaya, right? Papaya, muskmelon. All these fruits are also used in making fruit salad. Okay. Next one. 1 minute. Lingeshwaran, can you answer? Okay, Lingeshwaran, can you unmute yourself? Yes.
Yes.
Okay. I want you to name, yes. Name two fruits which are used for making ice cream. Two
Ice cream
fruits.
the fruit. Fruit strawberry.
Strawberry, ma'am.
Very good. One is strawberry ice cream. One more.
Orange. Orange, ma'am.
Orange. Okay.
Banana,
Very good.
ma'am.
Okay, now how many Lingeshwarans do we have? I see someone else also unmuting. I said only Lingeshwaran should answer. Okay, let us give chance even for the others. Okay, very good. Okay, next, Elshiba, can you unmute? Elshiba Priska. Yes. Okay, can you name this fruit? Which fruit is this? Very good. Apple.
Apple, ma'am.
Second one.
Banana, ma'am. An apple, ma'am.
This is apple. Second one is
Banana, ma'am.
banana. Okay, I'm asking only Elshiba to answer. I don't want Arul to be unmuted. Okay, please mute yourself. Okay. Now next one, which fruit is this, Elshiba?
Pineapple, ma'am.
Pineapple. Very good. Very good. Okay, next. Pratusha Rai, can you unmute? Yes. Can you name which fruit is this, Pratusha? Can you see the fruit?
Papaya, ma'am.
Very good. Papaya. Next one.
Grapes, ma'am.
Grapes. Then this one.
Watermelon, ma'am.
Watermelon.
Yeah.
Very good. Very good. Okay. Now next one. Can I have Shibam? Shibam Bhattacharya? Yes. Okay. Can you name which fruit is this?
Mango, ma'am.
Okay, I want Shubham to answer. Can you see the fruit clearly, Shubham?
ನೋಡಿ ಕನ್ಸಿಯಾ ಕುಡಿಂಗ್ ತೋಲ್ ಕುಡಿಂಗ್
Which is this? Okay, you're not sure. Can you name this fruit at least?
Ma'am, custard apple, ma'am.
Yes, this is custard apple. And which one? Which fruit is this?
Mango,
This is not mango. This is orange. Okay, this is orange. Okay, this is orange fruit and this is custard apple. Okay, these are all the names of fruits that you learned in plants around us. Okay, so what are they? Apple, banana, pineapple, papaya, grapes, watermelon, orange, and custard apple. Okay, what are these? These are all called as, what are these? Fruits. Very good. These are all called as fruits. Okay. Okay. Now, yes. Okay. Now next, I want. Let me see who else is there. Abhinaya, can you unmute yourself? Abhinaya, can you unmute? Yes. Okay, Abhinaya, can you name 2 fruits that are sour in taste? 2 fruits which are sour in taste. Fruits are generally sweet, right? But then few fruits you also have which is sour in taste. For example, you have raw mango. Okay, mango is also sour in taste, right? When you keep it in your tongue, you feel that tangy taste you get, right? Okay, like that. Can you name 2 fruits which are sour in taste?
உப்பு புளிப்பா இருக்குது எது சொல்லு எந்த ஃப்ரூட் சாப்பிட்டா மேங்கோ ஒன்னு லெமன்
Lemon, very good. One more. One more. Some of the yes.
pineapple,
Yes. Some of the oranges. Some of the oranges are also sour in taste. Okay. Now next one. Yes. Thank you. Sindhu. Thank you. Sindhu. Okay. Now next one. Next one. Okay. I want Danshita to unmute now. Okay. Danshita, can you unmute yourself? Yes. Danshita, can you name 2 fruits that are juicy? 2 fruits that are juicy.
Pineapple, watermelon, ma'am.
Okay, juicy fruit, watermelon, yes. Okay, one is watermelon. Very good. Watermelon and orange. Okay, these are juicy fruits. Okay. Now next one. Yes. Okay, now next one. Can I have Ria? Ria?
Ma'am,
Yes.
first one what, ma'am? What the fruit?
First one, this one. This is watermelon. Okay, watermelon and orange are juicy fruits. Okay. Now I want Ria to unmute. The rest of you all will mute yourself. Kindly do not unmute. Okay? Ria, can you name 2 fruits that are pulpy? Okay, pulpy means it has. Can you name 2 pulpy fruits which has lot of
Banana.
Very good. Banana. One more.
Mango, ma'am.
Yes, mango. Okay, these are called as pulpy fruits. Okay. Now next one, Likith Krishna. Likith Krishna, can you unmute? The rest of you all kindly do not. Yes, Likit. Okay, can you name 2 fruits that are red in color? 2 fruits that are red in color, red color fruits. Can you name them? Papaya.
Ma'am, cherries, ma'am.
Papaya is not red in color. Papaya is not red in color. Okay, okay, 1 minute.
Cherries, ma'am.
1 minute.
Apple is red color, ma'am, and strawberry.
Okay, when I ask someone, only that child should unmute. Kindly, I see many of you are unmuting and answering. Okay, I told only Likith had to unmute and answer. Likith, now I want only you to unmute. Okay, Arul Nilan,
Ma'am,
please do not.
cherries, ma'am.
Arul Nilan, Deekshita, please do not unmute now. Okay, I like I told you, I want only Likith to unmute. Likith, can you unmute yourself and now answer? Likith?
Cherries, ma'am.
Yes, Likith. Can you name 2 fruits that are red in color, Likith?
Cherries, ma'am.
Cherry.
Plums, ma'am.
1 more fruit that is red in color.
Ma'am, cherries and plum, ma'am.
Very good. Cherries and plum. Okay, these are 2 red color fruits. Okay, now next one. Okay, now next one. Can you all tell me what is this? Is it a tree, shrub, or herbs? Under which type of plant will this come under? It is a tree. Okay, this is a tree. Okay, this is a mango tree. Okay, what tree is this? This is a mango tree. Yes. Okay, what is a tree? A tree is a big plant. Is it a big plant or a small plant? It is a big plant. Very good. Very good. Okay, next one. The raw mangoes are dashed in color. Are they green or yellow? Raw mangoes are green in color. Okay, raw mangoes are green in color. Now next one, can you all name what tree is this? What tree is this? Very good. This is a coconut tree. What does a coconut tree give? Okay, what does a coconut tree give us? Okay, okay. When so many of you all are answering, can the others or even you understand what you all are telling? No, right? Okay, that is why I said only one by one you'll answer. Okay, now next I want Deekshita, can you unmute yourself? Deekshita? Yes. Okay, Deekshita, can you tell me what does a coconut tree give us?
Yes, ma'am.
This tree gives very good. Okay, yes, this is a coconut tree. You are right. Okay, this tree gives us dash. Does it give guava or coconut? What does it give us?
Coconut, ma'am.
Very good, very good. This tree gives us coconut. Okay. Now, can you all see this plant? Can you all see this plant? Okay. This is a dash plant. Is it a big plant or a small plant?
Rose, ma'am.
It's not a rose plant. Okay, I want you to listen first. Do not keep answering. You will not hear the question at all. Okay, this is a dash plant. Okay, is it a big plant or a small plant? What sort of a plant is this? Is this a big plant or a small plant? Very good. This is a small plant. Okay, can you all see something here? What is growing under the ground? Under the ground, what is growing? Can you all see?
Ground.
Okay. Yes, the groundnuts grow under the ground. Okay, very good. Okay, now next one, can you all see this? What plant is this? This is a okay. Is this a big plant? Okay, is this a big plant or a small plant? This is a small plant. Very good. Yes. Now plants that grow along the ground, what are they called as? Plants that grow along the ground, what are they called as?
Creepers, ma'am.
Very good. They are creepers. Very good. Can you all see the fruit that is growing here? Can you all name the fruit here?
Watermelon.
Very good. It is a watermelon plant. Very good. Very good. Okay. Now next one. Okay. Now next one. Rakshit ji, can you answer? The rest of you all kindly mute. Okay. Melissa, Kushal, Arul, Alan, Joshua, please mute yourself. I want only Rakshit to answer. Okay. Rakshit, name 2 big trees. Name 2 big trees. Can you name 2 big trees?
Apple tree.
Very good. One more.
Jackfruit tree, ma'am.
1 minute, Lingeshwaran. I want only Rakshit to answer. Okay. Yes, Rakshit.
And coconut tree, ma'am.
Very good. Very good. Okay. Apple tree and coconut tree. Very good. Okay. Now next one. Next one. Varun Stephen. Varun Stephen, I want you to unmute now.
Yes.
Yes. Varun, can you name 2 creeper plants? 2 creepers. Plants which grow along the ground is called as creepers, right? Can you name 2 creepers? One plant you already saw here. Okay.
Pumpkin, ma'am.
Very good. Pumpkin. One more.
Watermelon, ma'am.
Watermelon. Very good. 2 creepers. Examples of 2 creeper plants are watermelon plant and pumpkin plant. Okay. Next one. Next one. I want Charvi to answer. Charvi, can you unmute yourself? Yes. Okay. Now, Charvi, can you name 2 climber plants? Okay. You all know what are climbers. Climbers are plants with weak stem and which need support in order to grow straight, right? Can you name 2 climber plants?
Grapes, ma'am.
Grapes. Then one more.
Money plant.
Very good. Money plant and grape plant. Okay. Next one. Next one. I want Aaron Dion to answer. Okay. Aaron Dion, you can unmute.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now I want you to name 2 small plants that give us vegetables. 2 small plants that give us vegetables.
Mint.
Vegetable.
Vegetables.
Brinjal.
Very good. Brinjal. One more.
Tomato.
Tomato. Very good. Very good, Aaron. Okay. Next one. I'm really sorry. I don't know who is this Galaxy MO2. I've told even yesterday, I told you all to please mention your login with your child's name, but you all are still not doing it. I'm not sure who's that child only. And even Vaidehi Ananda Raman. Please mention your child's name. Okay,
I'm
Vaidehi.
sorry. My technical issue, I'm not able to change the name. I'm so sorry. We'll do it.
Okay, can you give me your child's
It is
name?
Andrews, man.
Andrews. Okay, fine. Okay, now Andrew, can you give me
Andrew.
Yes.
Andrew.
Fine. Okay, now Andrew, can you give me 2 plants that give us
Yes,
flowers?
ma'am.
Yes, 2 plants that give us flowers, flower-bearing plants.
Rose plant.
Very good. Rose plant. One more.
Lily flower.
Lily flower. Very good. Okay. Thank you, Ma. Okay. Now, next one, I want Alan Joshua to answer. Okay. Alan Joshua, you can unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Alan. Alan, can you name 2 vegetables or things that grow under the ground? Okay. Underground vegetables.
Pumpkin and watermelon, ma'am.
Watermelon and pumpkin are creepers. They grow above the ground. Okay. You have vegetables that also grow under the ground. Okay. One of that is this plant. You all gave me the name of this plant, right? This was groundnuts. Okay. They grow under the ground like that. Can you name one more plant which grows under the ground?
Carrot, ma'am.
Very good. Carrot. Yes. Very good. Carrot, potato, all these and all grow under the ground. Okay. Now, thank you, children. Did you all understand what you did in the class today?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.